If you're stuck under 5,000 followers and think TikTok Shop is out of reach, you're wrong. There's an official route smaller creators can use. I'll show you exactly where to find it, how to get approved, and the 30-day plan that turns access into your first commissions. Now let me be straight with you. This is not about buying followers. It is not about fake accounts. It is not about paying some stranger online to unlock TikTok Shop for you. Those tricks will get your account restricted before you ever see a single dollar, and I've watched people lose months of work chasing them. What we are talking about today is the real route, the legitimate under 5,000 follower opportunity that most beginners have no idea exists. And by the end of this video, you'll know why the 5,000 rule was created, what the loophole actually is, how to check right now if your own account qualifies, and the exact 30-day plan to follow if you get approved. Because getting in and making money are two very different things, and that's where most people fall apart. So first, why does TikTok even have this rule? TikTok Shop is not a normal affiliate platform. The product is inside the video. The checkout happens inside the app. And you, the creator, become part of the buying decision. That means TikTok has to protect three groups at once: the buyer, the seller, and the platform itself. If they let anyone promote anything from day one, the app would flood with spam, fake reviews, misleading claims, and low-quality junk. Nobody would trust it, and the whole thing would collapse. So the follower rule is basically a trust filter. It signals to TikTok that your account has some history, some audience, and hopefully some real content behind it. But here's what most people miss. TikTok knows follower count doesn't tell the full story. A woman with 1,500 followers who posts about kitchen organizing can sell better than someone with 20,000 followers posting random dance clips. Because a focused account with the right audience converts. A skincare page reviewing anti-aging serums, a cooking page showing time-saving gadgets, a home page featuring storage solutions, a pet page testing dog products. These accounts might be small, but they make sense commercially. And TikTok noticed. That's where the loophole comes in. TikTok now runs something called the Creator Pilot Program. This is the key thing smaller creators need to know about. Their own guidance says some affiliate creators with fewer than 5,000 followers can enter a 30-day pilot period after verification. Think of it as a trial run. TikTok is basically saying, prove you can do this properly, prove you won't spam, prove you can follow the rules. And if you do, the training wheels come off. But be honest with yourself. This is not full unlimited access. During the pilot, expect some limits. You may only be able to promote products from higher rated shops. You may be capped on how many product videos you can post per week. TikTok Shop Live may be locked off at first. And you may not qualify for certain campaigns yet. That's actually a good thing. It protects you from making rookie mistakes at scale. But it also means your first 30 days matter more than any other 30 days you'll spend on this platform. If you waste that window on lazy videos and random products, you're not using the loophole, you're burning it. Now there are 4 realistic paths to understand, and knowing which one applies to you saves a lot of wasted effort. Path 1 is the Creator Pilot route. This is the main under 5,000 follower option. To check, open TikTok, tap your profile, go to TikTok Studio, then Monetization, then look for TikTok Shop for Creators. If you're eligible in your region, you'll see the option to apply. If you don't see it, don't panic. It could mean your account is too new, your country isn't included yet, you don't have enough followers, or your account has recent issues. TikTok simply doesn't show every feature to every account at once, so keep building and check back. Path 2 is the 1,000 follower self-apply route. For a lot of creators, the first target isn't 5,000, it's 1,000 clean, real followers in one clear niche. That's a much smaller mountain to climb. If you're under 1,000 right now, that becomes your only goal. Not random followers, not follow for follow, real people who match the products you eventually want to promote. Path 3 is brand or seller collaboration. Some sellers actively want smaller creators who fit their product. A small cleaning account is gold to a cleaning brand. A small pet page is valuable to a dog product seller. A small wellness page is perfect for a supplement brand. This is why your niche matters. Your account should make it obvious what belongs there. Path 4 is the seller route. This is different from affiliate, but worth knowing. If you have your own product, or you want to sell under your own brand, you can apply as a TikTok shop seller instead. Affiliate means you promote other people's products for a commission. Seller means you sell your own. Different route, different requirements, different game entirely. All right, let's walk through the application step by step. Step 1. Go to your TikTok profile, open TikTok Studio, tap Monetization, then look for TikTok Shop for Creators. If the option appears, open it and read the requirements slowly, because the exact wording changes by country, and your screen may not match someone else's tutorial exactly. Step 2. Check the basics. You normally need to be at least 18, have your account in good standing, a fully completed profile, original content already posted, and no recent community guideline strikes. Commercial content has a higher trust standard than casual posting, so this matters. Step 3, and this is one of the biggest golden nuggets in this video. Clean your account before you apply. Do not apply with a messy profile, no clear niche, no proper bio, random reposts, and low-quality clips. TikTok is looking at your page the same way a shop owner would look at a job applicant. Use a clean profile picture. Write a simple, niche-based bio. Post content around one product category. And make sure your recent videos actually match the products you want to promote. You don't need to look famous. You need to look trustworthy. Step 4. Only apply through official TikTok routes. Do not pay someone to unlock the shop for you. Do not buy an account with access. Do not use fake ID details or VPN tricks to fake your location. Even if it works short-term, it will catch up with you and shut the whole account down. Now, because this channel is about making money online with AI, let me show you where AI genuinely speeds this up, not as a gimmick, but as a real tool. AI is your research assistant. Before you apply, you can use ChatGPT or Claude to help you write a clear, niche-focused bio, brainstorm 30 video ideas around one product category, and analyze what your competitors are doing well. You can paste in a product description and ask AI to give you 5 different video hooks written for women over 45. You can even ask it to rewrite your captions to sound more natural and less salesy. AI can also help you script videos in your own voice. The trick is to feed it 3 or 4 examples of how you actually talk, then ask it to write in that same tone. Never just copy and paste the output. Read it out loud, tweak the awkward parts, and make it sound like you. Because the second a video sounds like a robot wrote it, viewers scroll. And older audiences especially can spot fake energy from a mile away. The creators winning right now in TikTok Shop are not the ones with the most expensive cameras. They are the ones using AI to research faster, write better hooks, and test more angles per week than the average creator can manage alone. Now let's say you get approved. What should you actually do? Most beginners get access and immediately promote the product with the highest commission. Wrong move. Your first goal is not to promote the most products. Your first goal is to prove your account can create useful shopping content. So in your first 30 days, be selective. Avoid products with poor reviews. Avoid weak, low-rated shops. Avoid products that need wild, exaggerated claims to sell. And avoid anything you can't explain clearly in a short video. Use this simple product filter before you promote anything. Can I show this product clearly on camera? Can I explain the problem it solves in one sentence? Can I make 3 different video angles from it? Does the product already have proven demand? Does the shop look reliable, 4-star or higher? Does the commission actually make sense for the effort? And would a viewer understand why they need this within 5 seconds? If the answer to any of these is no, skip it. The best TikTok Shop products for beginners are easy buying decisions. A cleaning tool that saves time. A kitchen gadget that solves an annoying daily problem. A skincare product with a visible before and after result. A storage item that fixes a messy space. A pet product that ends a daily frustration. Simple problem, clear product, fast demonstration, obvious reason to buy today. That's the pattern. Here's exactly what I would do in your first week after approval. Day 1, research only. No videos yet. Just look at the products you're allowed to promote. Check reviews. Check shop scores. Check what other creators have already done with that product. And ask yourself, can I make this feel natural on my page? Day 2, choose one product. Not 10, 1. Then create 5 different angles for it. A problem angle, a before and after angle, a common mistake angle, a comparison angle, and an honest review angle. This gives you 5 videos from one product instead of hopping around every day with no strategy. Day 3. Film your first 2 videos. Keep them simple. Hook the problem in the first 3 seconds. Show the product clearly. Explain the benefit. Keep the video focused on one job. A good TikTok Shop video makes the viewer understand the problem, then shows the product as the obvious solution. That's it. Day 4. Check your analytics. Did people watch past the first 3 seconds? Did anyone click the product link? Did they leave comments? Did they ask questions? Your analytics and your comments are your content roadmap for the next week. Day 5. Make a better version. If people ask, does it really work? Film a demonstration. If they ask about price, make a value-focused video. If they say, I have that same problem, build a relatable video around that pain point. This is how you improve, not by guessing, but by listening to the market. And here's the real secret most people never say out loud. The loophole isn't just getting access before 5,000 followers. The real loophole is learning the skill before everyone else does. While other creators are still waiting to hit the follower mark, you could already be learning product selection, hook writing, angle testing, analytics, and buyer psychology. That's the compound advantage. But only if you take it seriously. TikTok Shop is not magic. It rewards creators who understand 3 things clearly: the product, the audience, and the reason someone would buy right now. If your video doesn't connect all 3, it won't convert, even with the trendiest product and the highest commission on the platform. So here's your simple action plan. If you have under 1,000 followers, pick one niche, build a clean profile, post useful content daily, and aim for 1,000 real followers who match the products you eventually want to promote. If you have over 1,000 followers, go into TikTok Studio, check monetization, look for TikTok Shop for creators, and see if the pilot route is open to you. Before applying, clean your account and make your niche obvious. If you already have access, stop chasing random products. Build a system. One niche, one product at a time, multiple angles, clean analytics, constant improvement. The truth is, the 5,000 follower rule is not as simple as most people think. There are official routes that can help smaller creators start earlier, but TikTok is not handing out free money. It's giving people a chance to prove themselves. The creators who win are the ones who take that chance seriously. If you want to see what actually separates the affiliates who make sales from the ones who stay stuck, watch my next video where I analyzed 100 TikTok Shop affiliates and found the pattern nobody talks about. Subscribe if you want more honest, no-hype breakdowns like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.